Easy steps to secure your free IDNYC identification card. This is a step-by-step guide to applying for an IDNYC or nyc.gov. IDNYC is a free municipal identification card available to all New York City residents, regardless of immigration status. It provides access to various benefits and services across the city. Here's how you can apply for your IDNYC card. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet the basic eligibility criteria. Residency, you must be a resident of New York City. 8. Applicants must be at least 10 years old. Step 2. Gather required documents. You will need to provide documents that prove your identity and NYC residency. These documents are categorized by points. Proof of identity. You need documents totaling 3 points. Acceptable documents include U.S. passport, 3 points. Foreign passport, 3 points. U.S. driver's license or state ID, 2 points. Birth certificate, 1 point. Other government-issued IDs, varying points. Proof of NYC residency. You need documents totaling 1 point. Acceptable documents include utility bill, 1 point. List of mortgage statement, 1 point. Employment pay stub with address, 1 point. Letter from a city agency or non-profit, 1 point. And in order for you to gain 1,000 points, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. You can mix and match documents from these categories as long as they meet the points requirement. Step 3. Schedule an appointment. Appointments are required to apply for the IDNYC card. You can schedule an appointment online or by phone. Online, visit the IDNYC online portal. Phone, call 311 and request an IDNYC appointment. Step 4. Visit an enrollment center. On the day of your appointment, visit the enrollment center with your documents. Make sure to arrive on time. During your appointment, verification. Present your documents to the IDNYC staff for verification. Photograph. Your photograph will be taken on site. Signature. You'll be asked to sign an application form. Step 5. Wait for your IDNYC card. After your appointment, processing time. The IDNYC card is usually mailed within 14 business days. Mail delivery. The card will be sent to the mailing address you provided during your application. Step 6. Activate and use your IDNYC card. Once you receive your IDNYC card, activate. Follow the instructions provided with the card to activate it. Use. Start using your IDNYC card to access city services, cultural institutions, discounts, and other benefits. Additional resources. IDNYC website. Visit IDNYC's official website for more information. 311. If you have any questions, call 311 for assistance. This guide provides the basic steps for applying for your IDNYC card. Be sure to check the official website for any updates or additional details. Thank you so much for joining me on this magical journey to getting your IDNYC card. I hope this guide empowers you to unlock all the incredible opportunities that New York City has to offer. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to a world of new possibilities, and your IDNYC card is just the beginning. As you move forward, never forget that you hold the power to shape your destiny, one small action at a time. Whether it is accessing new resources or simply feeling more connected to this amazing city, your IDNYC card is a symbol of belonging and possibility. The magic is in believing in yourself. If you can do that, you can make anything happen. Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides that light up your path. Together, let us continue to create and embrace the magic in every moment. Until next time, stay positive, stay uplifted, and keep the magic alive.